And we will just grab a Pokemon Go. Four from the back, something simple. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a cool Charmander. I mean, I know it's not worth dick, but like that is a cool Charizard. And then we'll go straight to Crown Zenith. One, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, wife's complaining at me about the kid. I'll get it, baby. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. And oh yeah, it's time to put the baby to bed. We don't got no fucking bulls today. Bop.